Hello. Okay. Test. Okay, that's good. Doing some test. Will be ready soon. Oh, hi, Twitter. Sorry. The stream will start in 5 minutes. I'm testing microphones and setuping my... Oh, hi, Twitter. Oh, sorry. So now I know that my sound is working. Most of you are probably just curious person in Twitter. So this is Creator Sunday stream with Denevro. And every Sunday I work on developing something in Somnium space. Can be Word, avatar, builder item for parcels. Today I will continue my project of making a NPC, as we call it in games. NPC, for the people don't know what it is, it's a non-playable character. Yeah, that's no way. That's stupid. So I'm making a character that's gonna move by himself and do some stuff in words. Right now he's just walking randomly, and soon he's gonna be able to do more simple, basic. I call him scripted intelligence. I will never say AI. That's just stupid because it's not. So sound is working. Let me just set up some music. Can't work without music. Sorry, Tenebro, I'm connecting to my account. So I'm gonna use music that won't be blocked from stream. The MCA free that we call. Okay. Tell me if it's too strong or something's wrong. So the stream is sent to Twitter, Twitch, and YouTube. Oh, that's a little too intense. Good, almost done. I know someone should join in Discord. Oh yeah, and I'm open on Discord. Can join in the question and no, sorry, Art and Chill channel. This is my VC face avatar. I have special cameras to take my hands. It's very nice. I may implement this camera in VR soon, in Incredible Words. I think it's $100. It would be nice to detect our hands in VR like this, right? Yay. Just curious. Camera is called Leap Motion. Ultra Leap. Ultra Leap. Would be nice in VR. In summer space. Be cool. Ultra Leap. Where are you? They also made hair keyboard. That's very weird. Leap motion controller. How much are you? RoboShop? Oh, I can't share my screen. I'm done setuping. I will redo my intro in 2 minutes. Mean scene. There. Oh yeah. Oh, I bought it less than this. $110. This is the camera I use for my hands. You can put it on your VR headset, but it would be very nice to have this for 2D person like me, like right now, and also for VR, right? It would be so cool. Yeah, that's one of my projects I would like to do in the Incredible World. Okay. Just curious. Ah, out of stock. Ah, whatever. Doesn't matter. Haptic, tracking, motion, VR developer mount. This. I'm sorry, I'm just curious. And I'm waiting for people to join. Ultraleap 3DI. Ah, interesting. The problem with the camera I'm talking to you is the FOV is not super great. It's about FOV of the leap motion is about what VR gave you. Okay, stop messing around. Let's see if people join. Let me close my... Hey, who's there?
Hey, how are you?
Aina.
Aina!
Boy, it's been a long time I said that.
How is everything, bro?
Good.
Awesome, great to hear.
I
Everything's
mean,
going good with me too, man. I
yeah.
feel like every day, man, I'm becoming like more powerful.
Okay,
You know?
it's not good.
Wait, what?
Stop
Like,
drugs.
No. Think of it like power, bro, is the ability to manifest intended, like,
Okay.
you want. You can manifest what you want, right? I feel like more and more every day, I'm able to manifest more what I want.
Yeah.
Never, whole realm
I'm a
will belong to me.
very concrete person. Can we
Concrete
say
per
that in
person.
English?
Yeah, I
Concrete.
mean, I'm made of I think wood. I'm made of oak wood.
Okay, that's not what I meant. Concrete. Yeah, in French it's mean
Grounded, like you're grounded, you know?
yeah, I rely on I don't really like everything that's subjective. The
I think
power to create the power.
the power.
The
I have the
power.
power.
I'm pretty sure it's power.
It's power,
Which
baby.
Anarchy Arcade?
Where's Anarchy Arcade?
You said the power to create anything you imagine.
Oh yeah, the
I
power. You know,
already
like
have this.
do you know from Star Wars? Unlimited power. Palpatine? You watch
What?
episode 3?
Unlimited power.
Yeah, but Star Wars Unlimited power.
Pretty sure what it was not unlimited.
Unlimited power.
What happened? The stream stopped? Oh no, just one. Okay, never mind. It's Twitch. Okay, good. So, what about an NPC that do pathfinding? I've been thinking about a technique. Do you know the maze technique? Do you know the easiest, maybe not the most efficient, but the easiest way to find yourself in a maze?
No.
It's very well known. It's very simple. You always follow the same wall. You will always end up at the end of the maze. It's just a law of physics. You always follow one wall. You will end up at the end of the maze.
Ooh.
But I have a variation of this technique because there's no walls in nature. So the version of the technique, you create a straight line between you and the reach point, and as soon as the line touches something, you go right. You see? It's so either way you go straight line, or if you touch a surface, you go right of this surface. And the best would be to do both, right and left, so you may find the fastest path. This is just the first step. There's okay, because as you know, we cannot bake nav mesh. Probably I did not even think about it, but I'm pretty sure we cannot bake nav mesh in a dynamic environment in Unity. So for people that don't know what nav mesh is, you don't need to know. Yeah, I'm joking. Most games are static. It means that object we already know where they are. Because when you upload a game, Every object, you already know where they are. They are not gonna move, they are not gonna appear from nowhere. But for VR, most of our games are dynamic. It means that we don't know in advance what will be there. For example, in Somnium, if you change your power cell shape or whatever, you may be not sure if there will be a wall or not. So you cannot pre-made the, yeah, it's hard to explain, but so we will use the technique of the maze. I invent this, by the way, so I'm sure there's a name for that. Good. Where was I last time? I'm gonna go to the, I don't know, whatever, doesn't matter. Inquiry word, sample scene, whatever, you know, whatever. So last week we did this unbelievably stupid AI, sorry, scripted intelligence, NPC. I don't know how to call it. I don't want to say AI. I'm very stubborn.
I like the name, scripted it.
Yeah, scripted intelligence, because it's kind of intelligent, but it's not very artificial intelligent. It's not that it's not ish. So yeah. Okay, so you see the collider I have here, Intolard?
Yeah.
Congrats, you are not blind. Okay, that's stop the stupid joke. So this collider is gonna be the shape of reference. So the idea I had, I'm gonna launch a collider. First of all, I need a target point. So let's say I want to go here, okay? So I'm gonna create let me just create SI dev whatever object. Okay, because this is a scene that I should not edit. Sphere. Okay, so this is the target. So if the avatar is, let's say the avatar is in front of the house, okay? And I'm just gonna go dumb. What's gonna happen if I want to go to the sphere? He's gonna go in straight line and get stuck here, probably. You see? That's dumb. He could also walk randomly and have some kind of reward if he's going in the right direction. This will be way longer to go to the target point. So I'm gonna use a less random based technique. So let's imagine the easiest way is to, every time I touch a wall, I go right. Touch a wall, go right. I was right to the wall. So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna follow the wall at the end. And if I'm not touching a wall, I go in straight line to the point. So the stupid maze technique will make him follow the wall. I know it's dumb, okay? I know it's dumb. So we will probably need to do this. In addition, we will try to create a distance with the wall if we can, you see? So the technique I thought of, I don't want to overload your CPU, right? You know, I'm working in incredibly world, it have to be incredibly fast. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send a, you know, see here there's we call it capsule collider. It's kind of two spheres that make a line. I'm gonna send it, and when the path is made, like imagine the avatar is thinking. So as while the path is making, the avatar will just wait. And once the path will be made, I'm gonna probably make sub checkpoint to go to this spot. I hope this is gonna be simple. I hope. Maybe not. Let's hope it's gonna be simple. So let's start. So I need we can call it I'm just gonna copy the capsule here, copy component, create empty. How will we tinker? tinker. Tinker collider. I don't know. Right. Let's call it Tinker collider. That's dumb, I know what. doesn't really matter.
Kind of fun.
Yeah. First of all, I need to reset this because it's always at random positions. Ah, this is this. Yeah. Reset. Okay, so this is the target. So, this technique won't work if you have stairs. If you get it, it won't work if you have stairs, or if you need
Why?
to jump. Because let me think. Will it work if you have stairs? In fact, it may work. No, you're right. No, it won't. Because you may end up being just under the target, and it's gonna stop there because it's the closest point. Imagine that the target is on the second floor. So this technique will be good for general purpose, you see? But as soon as we have the concept of stairs and rooms, this is gonna be a little more complicated. But for now, we keep this simple. But maybe in other creators on the stream, I can do the concept of rooms, doors, stairs. So the AI know, okay, I know I know where is the door to go in this room. So the target point will be first the door. Then once this have been achieved, I know, okay, now I'm in this room. I know how to go to the other room. I know because I know where is the entrance of the stair, whatever. So it's all about target point, you see? Okay, let's start. So first of all, I'm just gonna make the capsule AI here. It's gonna be really similar to the other one. Okay, let's start this. Bolt flow machine. I hope what I'm saying makes sense. Oh. You know, I have engineering background, and sometimes we are just too crazy. Oh my god. Okay. New. I always, if you want an advice, always be a little organized. Okay, module. I think is it script intelligence? How did I call it? I don't know. NPC maybe? Dang, I'm gonna go check. I want to put all the script in the... Okay, NPC SI. Okay, I call it NPC. Oh no, he's there. Okay, got it. Sorry. I just thought about organization. Okay. New. Doesn't really matter. As soon as it's a little organized, it should be fine. Pathfinder. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay. As soon as my right click work, good. Okay.
So could you just talk about the structure of the object?
Structure? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is so. The reason why I copied. Can I say copied or copy? The reason I copy the collider of this avatar is because since it's it's kind of a simulation. Imagine in real life, to know if you can pass a path, your brain will simulate you walking with your shape. So the shape that simulate the path need to be similar. So I copied whatever. I copy the collider, sphere collider. Yeah, I need a rigid body. Everything that move and is a collider need a rigid body. That's just how it is. First, to something to interact with another, it need one of the two objects need a rigid body. I think if someone move, it needed a rigid body to collide. That's just how it is. Rigid body will create the concept of speed, acceleration, velocity, and stuff like this. With all this, everything is just teleporting. Rigid body, yeah, and the layer is gonna be vehicle like usual, because it's just because of that vehicle. Hey, by the way, Ultralord,
Yeah.
and may I find? Sorry, what layer are you using for everything that's triggers?
I found, man, like I used bullet shooting player, and then like on one of them, I would have a rigid body. I found that when you use the triggers, it turns on like everything as soon as the game starts. So yeah,
Hmm.
so that's what I used.
Personally, I yesterday I changed completely my trigger system. I'm using layer 2 in your
What is it?
raycast. The layer 2 is special because
Cool.
it don't interfere with Somnium Space Avatar. So the teleportation ray won't interfere and stuff like this. So
Cool.
every if I add an object to the body, I will use in your raycast. Um, and if I do use a trigger area, I'm gonna use. I think it's the same. It's just an experiment. But for now, it's working well. So in my world, the problem of lifting your own legs is repaired.
Cool.
It's this
So
one. In your raycast, interact with pretty much everything, not trigger. It interact with
nice.
himself, so that's good. And it don't
So
have the problem of terrain.
so can I use it to interact with a trigger with the avatar?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And
Cool,
I'm
cool.
using the avatar collider. So
Nice.
now I remove everything I add on in the avatar. The only thing
Awesome,
remaining I
bro.
add is the grabbing system,
Really
and
awesome,
I put
bro.
the grabbing system on in your recast too. I think it's a good. Your choice seem to be good too, because in your world I don't think there's problems with teleportation or lifting feet or whatever.
This is a very elegant solution. Very awesome,
I
bro.
mean, the last one I was adding a lot of component and it was so messed.
Yeah.
And you know what? I did not even realize, but my grabbers was on Terran layer. I was like, "Are you
Oh.
fucking serious? You put people that ear to us." One person is like, "What are they fucking talking about?" I'm sorry, I'm swearing. Sorry, I was talking about fork for eating spaghetti. Forking. You know, when you eat spaghetti, you are forking spaghetti.
Forking
Okay.
spaghetti.
Yes, I'm speaking the English. Okay. You can laugh the one person that's listening to us. Ha ha ha. Very funny.
Yeah.
Oh, I may change the stream date. Sorry, in the week. Yeah.
Cool.
I think weekend is just not good for people and for my mental health too.
Sure, bro.
I realize it blocked me from a lot of stuff in real life, doing stream the Sunday. So
Yeah,
yeah,
you gotta you
if
have
I
to find a balance, right?
yeah, if I want to have an healthy developing day a week, I need to have weekend free. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's not gonna be different. So it's gonna be okay, good, whatever. This is Creator Sunday, not blah blah Sunday. Um, let's start by fix. Always use fix update. Always. In fact, it's very simple. In your choice list, start by event. Then, if you can't do something by event, use fix update. If you can't use fix update, use update. You see in this
Can you
order.
repeat that again?
I said always 90% of what you do will work with just event, custom event. So custom event, on trigger, on collision. You see what I mean? Even
Yeah.
everything, most of what you do, 90% probably will be fine with event. It's a question of architecture, how you think your program. The reason is Bolt is very, 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 very slow. As rule of the thumb, I said in Discord that you should never have anything that loop more than 100 times per frame. If you do a loop, that's more than 110 per frame, you are doing something wrong. Or at least there may be a better way. And just before this, there is looping every frame. Sometimes you loop every frame something and you don't. You don't need. You could do it even. Every bolt operation have a cost. I'm not saying if you have one single loop in all your game, it's oh my god, people are gonna hate you. No, sorry. It's just that it accumulates very fast, and it can make your game very unstable. So avoid loops as much as possible. For controlling a physics object in real time, there's no real other solution. Maybe I can do it some kind of event base. I'm gonna check that. Think about it. If I have 100 physical objects that each of them loop every frame, that's kind of a lot of process. But if it's the only solution, maybe having 100 objects that's physics is the problem, you know? It's VR. It's always about compromise. Yeah. Okay, so first we have where's my rigid body? I just had it somewhere. What? Did I add it on? I add the rigid body on the target. Of course, the target won't be affected by gravity. Okay, so capsule collider, layer, vehicle. I put the target on vehicle layer. I'm very, yes, concentration, Tenero, concentration. Bolt stripped, of course. Add component, rigid body. I can't freeze rotation. I really don't need it to rotate. It's very not necessary. I'm gonna move it in the word space. So for now, let's just keep this simple. What I could do is keep it kinematic. This means that... What does it mean already? I forgot. Oh yeah. Kinematic mean that this object will have the... it will act like a rigid body, but it won't be affected by gravity, or it's meant to be controlled. If it's kinematic, it's meant to be controlled. It could be by an animation, by anything else. I could also use character controller. Yeah, could use character controller too. I wonder which one is better. What do you think? Character controller or rigid body? It doesn't matter. Let's start with this. Good. So, yeah, I need a variable. That's gonna be the target. I just need a transform. Don't need the Kim object. So I'm gonna go the target. Remember, those are components. Sorry. If I put a component here in variable and I drag and drop an object, it's gonna try to find the component inside. So I don't need to link the game object and then go get the target. It's just wasting time.
Does it cost more? Like if I have more nodes, so if I have like a variable that's a game object,
I can't tell you because I don't know how bolt work in background. But you know, you need to keep balance between readability and functionality. Is it that?
Yeah, it's good. It makes sense.
yeah. What I mean is the ultimate code will be unreadable. You see? So you need to keep balance between a code that you can remember in 1 month what you did and a code that's not too slow. For example, if I turn every node into a function, that would be not very super efficient. Hey, who's there?
What's up, kid Nerp?
Nerp.
Hey guys, hey Never.
If I had a car, it would say Nerp.
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 That is awesome. Nerp,
So
nerp.
today
That
we
is
are
awesome.
today we are working with the scripted intelligence, and we do a pathfinding algorithm.
Oh, awesome! Glad I made it.
Since we can't use a nav mesh from Unity, nav mesh is the system to find path. We need to do our own path system. So I'm thinking about the maze principle of always following the same wall to end up in the target, mixing it with other stuff. Right now I have 2 no's because I can't stop talking.
Yeah, let's get this going. Let's do
Yes,
it.
I know. Okay, so let's start by I'm going to get my position. Oh yeah, and the position of the target, and I need to create a vector of direction. How can I say vector without saying vector? I know people are scared of vector.
Coordinates. There.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
space.
you're right. That's good. Okay. Yeah,
Something
but
like
if
that.
you know, a vector is okay. Thank you. I think I got it. Okay. So what I want right now is the direction from this to the target. That's the first step. Direction. So for having the direction, I first need to subtract the position of the... We always work in word space, right? There's no relativity here. So I subtract the target position from the... No, sorry. I subtract the AI, whatever. How can I... Oh yeah, the thinker. I call it the thinker. I subtract the thinker position because the avatar is thinking, so he's saying himself. La, 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 la.
It's funny.
So I subtract the thinker position from the target position. Yeah, subtract. With this, I'm gonna have relative position. So like if this was the 0. No, reverse. Sorry, I'm. Yeah. Relative position. Sorry. Hope this makes sense. Okay. Now I want to convert this to a direction. So I'm gonna do normalize. Normalize mean that if normalize mean that this direction length will be 1 instead of being like 15 meters. It's just I'm not even sure if it's useful, but let's continue. So I have the direction now. This is the direction. It have been normalized. So the length of this line is 1 and it's pointing through the target. Okay. So what I want, moving the rigid body in this direction. Normally I should be able to move it. Just move. Don't care about speed, whatever. It's not. It's irrelevant here. Yeah, move the kinematic rigid body toward position. It's good because it's kinematic. Good. Wait, toward position? Wait, I'm confused. Toward position. Ah. Toward position. Okay. I think it's asking me to give him a position. I don't know everything by heart, right? So let me think. Because a rigid body normally cannot be moved. You cannot say like go there. That's not how it works. In real life, for an object to move, you need to apply a force or a speed. So drag, inertial, kinematic, mass, blah blah blah, position. Move, set. Oh, you know what? We will do that. It's fine. So, what you will ask me where are you going? I'm like, let's do steps. So you will do 1 meters. This will be too fast. So I'm gonna do. I want us to see this. If it's too fast, we will get dizzy. On keyboard input, every time I press space, it's gonna move. Right? That's good. And I'm gonna take. Okay. Now is the mathematic. Okay. Take a deep breath and listen to me. I take the actual position. Okay. It's gonna be fine. And I multiply the position by the direction. Sorry, that's not it at all. I take the direction. I multiply. Remember, the direction is 1 meter. It's normalized. I multiply it by. Oh, it's just happened to be that, but it's 1. It could be 2 meters, but since I want to move 1 meter, I'm gonna multiply the direction by 1. It's just to say that I can go less or more, like 2 or whatever. You see what I mean? Good.
Yeah.
Sorry, 1. Then. Now I have this displacement. I need to add my position. This displacement to my position. So this is the logic. Is it gonna work? Maybe. Now, sorry, my God. Let's try this. So, I think it's not hurting if I press play. We want to try it. We don't need to be in Somnium yet. This, as long as what you do is not touching multiplayer, you can test it locally. Because it's kind of complicated to set up multiplayer, and you will need multiple. You better go in game. So the AI is still active. It's gonna do random shit, but we don't care. Like, hello. Oh. Whoops. Tinker. Okay, let's press space. I have to be in the game view to press any button. Oh, it did not work. Why is that? Ah, freeze position. My bad. Oh my God.
Cool.
I made a.
Just bolted.
Can I do Control Z? Control Z maybe. Okay, let's try this again. Something went wrong. Go there. Go there. Okay. What happened? I normalized this vector. I multiply by 1. I added the position. Did I add the wrong position? Let me check. I'm gonna go to view. So X and Z. So the relative position should be like something like 10 by 10. So here I see subtraction. I see minus 0.5, 0.9. Oh yeah, this has been normalized. You know what? Let's do things step by step. An easy way to print any numbers is to use debug. You see, never do something too big before testing because you may have misunderstood something. Okay, you see, relative position is minus 13.21. That kind of makes sense. And the normalized direction, I have to keep myself from saying vector. Normalized direction is minus 0.5, 0.8. That makes sense. So this is right. Then I multiply by 1. It should be fine too again. Oh, is it float? Yeah, it's float. Multiply by 1. Stop that. Now it's... Oh, that's wrong. You're supposed to be normalized. Okay. I think I see what's happening here. Okay, I'm gonna use this one instead. I just used the wrong node. Normalize this vector and output the normalized one. You see, sometimes we think something is working this way and we are wrong. So that's why we test. Always individually test what you're not sure. What you're not 100% sure. Okay, now the normalize is good. I don't need log anymore. So technically this should maybe work. And it's not working.
Oh no.
What's happening?
It doesn't like multiplying
Oh, this
normalized value.
So Position.
Why is multiply red? What doesn't it like?
You see, it's not adding this to that.
What does it say in your console?
The red.
Yeah.
The red is normal. It's just because once it's red, it's gonna stay red, red until I stop.
Yes.
The addition is wrong.
Why is it complaining about the red?
Oh no, it's not.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Anymore.
I'm sorry. You've made the change. I'm sorry, I missed that. You made the change before. Okay.
Okay. Whoa. Debug. Let's debug. Something is wrong. You see here, this value is good, but it seems this function is wrong. Do I have a rotation? No. Now it's small. Something's wrong. Move position. Move the kinematic rigid body toward position. I have a kinematic. Yeah, it doesn't change anything, it seems. Oh, it still freeze. Why? Okay, now it's good. Okay, so
there you go.
let's do this again. Oh, dang it. Oops. That's not good. It's just, you absolutely don't care about the walls. You don't care about the walls. Okay, so it's saying that kinematic don't care about the walls. That's good. It's how we teleport avatars, so it kind of makes sense, I guess. Let's try this again.
Nice.
Okay, that's not good too. Let's try
Walking
something
through
else.
the door.
There's like maybe if I enable interpolation mode, interpolate. Let's try this. Nope. Whoa. Stop there, you. What's happening?
So, Denevero, I wonder if maybe if you set up movement points and then had them go to a specific point and then have them do what they want.
I was hoping that this will prevent the collider from passing through walls, but it seemed that continuous maybe.
Oh
no, it don't care at all.
How is it going through the wall?
Continuous dynamic. No, it don't care. Door open. That's so funny. Oh my god, speculative. I'm sure that's changed nothing. Okay, so the technique is wrong here. Let's change the. I think it's meant to teleport.
Yeah.
So let's try the position set, and then if it don't work, we may need to speculate and use integrative technique. And I'm messing with ya. No, if it don't work, we may need to use speed, and we will just figure something out. They don't care at all. They don't care. Okay. It's not speed. Okay. Do we have other position? Move position. Okay, maybe this one will work. Move the kinematic rigidity to other position. Oh no, that's already what I used. Okay, that's not working. So let's try something else. We will set the velocity, in fact. We don't really care how we move it. As long as it's moving, it's fine. So we don't need this anymore, and we will use the same technique, but it's gonna be a direction of speed, you see? But now I will be able to change this value if it's too fast. Okay, let's try. You see? That's very slow. But if it was continuous, it would be faster, I guess. Okay, let's just give him some drugs. Okay,
yeah.
Now it's working. So next step will be detect the collision and find the right direction from the collision. Okay, so normally I could get the collider. No, let's be more specific. Capsule collider. I should be able to get the contact. Closest point on bounce. Closest point. Recast it. Oh boy. Contact offset. I may need to use event here. The collider attached with the body, closest point, direction, heat, blah blah blah, material, registry, cast, hit. Okay, I'm just curious to try something. I'm gonna check character controller. I think there is more interesting things about it. Character controller, bounce, closest point on bounce, closest point, collision flag, contact, detect collision. Yes. Can I get the collisions? I know character controller is very special. I mean, you don't want to move the chairs if the avatar is thinking.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my god. Velocity, stop limits, blah 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 blah. Miss trigger rate, blah blah blah. Detect collisions. Yeah, but where? Can I get the collision? I mean, I will maybe need to use events. It's fine. I can live with that. Compare, destroy, equal, find, get, blah 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 blah. Intensity, name, reference. Okay, that's not working. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna change the. Sorry about that. I'm gonna change it for character character controller. Yes. So I don't need any more. You will understand very soon why. How to what the 1.75, 0.19 of radius. Is that radius? Center. Good. Now it's good. Now I can remove the collider. You don't need collider with character controller. It's kind of package deal. So it's half a rigid body and half a collider. It's very special. It can push stuff. That's why in Summon Space before you could not push some stuff. This have been changed for PC, I think. Okay, so we have to change. This is good. Velocity. We should be able to move. Motion. More complex move function. Target absolute movement delta. The target collision flag output. Okay. Collision flag. Character. Controller. What can we do? Move. Okay. Closest point. Blah 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 blah. Do I need a rigid body? I don't think. Detect collision. Closest point on bound. Main wall. It's trigger. Material. Distance. Move. Push. Simple move. Move the character with speed. Okay. Okay. So let's return to the add technique. That may or may not work. I'm gonna add from the position here. Okay, let's start. Hoping it's gonna work. I think this technique is gonna be more respectful of the furniture. Like, oh my god, the furniture is moving. Why? Oh, it's the AI, the SI. What the?
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Oh, there he is.
I
Hey,
think
little
it's
buddy.
because... Oh, it's it used delta, so I don't need to use add.
Cool.
Will you go in the window? No. Yes.
Oh, he's stuck in the house. Oh no. Yeah, look.
Then he's stuck. But now the problem is he's not rigid bodying. Oh, damn it.
Cool.
Oops. What's happening? Why are you not rigid bodying? What did I do? Let me think. Okay, there is kind of a workaround. Yes. Capsule collider. Rigid body. This is a workaround, okay? Yeah, I need to... Don't really like this technique. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna copy this. We can still keep the fact that it's not gonna push stuff. For that we we just need to make the radius smaller, like this. Height. I'm not 100% sure what I'm saying, but whoa! What's happening here? What the? Anyway, I need to do it here. You see how development is fun. Capsule collider. Yes. Fridge rotation. We don't need rotation. That's useless. That here. 0.1. So 0.1. Good. Now let's start. The layer should be good. I think vehicle is interacting with most of stuff. Okay, why are you not falling? Oh my god. Are you interacting with yourself? Okay, I think this technique is shit. Sorry. I'm so confused right now. I feel dumb. Okay, I never did that, okay? You know what? Let's touch the furniture for now, okay? Let's touch the furniture. So I just don't have any other ideas. Not very used for that. Okay, so oops. Remove this one. Who said something? I know all my lulls are out of context, but you guys say some funny stuff. Thank you for listening. Oh my god. Okay. Good. Next. Rigid. I said rigid body. Right click, please. Thank you. Okay. Rigid body. What? Speed? Velocity? Velocity? Yeah, that was fine. I'm not a Unity engineer yet. Okay, let's return with this technique, but we will use the oh, I may be able to know if it's colliding. Maybe. Capsule collide? is trigger? Oh no. Collider. Contact offset. Enable closest material. Share material weakens. I don't want to do it, but I don't have the choice. Okay. On collision. On collision. On collision. Stay. No, I know. Yeah, no, yes, no. Sorry. Okay, on collision, enter. Let's try this, right? Of this, yes, this one. Contacts. What's impulse? Total impulse applied to this contact pair to resolve the collision. Total impulse applied to this contact to resolve the collision. Nearest with two colliding objects. Okay, I think this may be interesting. Okay. Let me think. Vector 3. I want to rotate the vector right. Rotate forward. No. Okay, I'm not sure about this impulse vector. Direction. The impulse direction seemed to be the direction of the collision. So if there's multiple point of contact, this is gonna be the result direction. I need this. This direction, I want to go right of it. So I need to compute the right. Easiest way is to rotate this. Rotate. Toward, rotate. Yeah? No. Why can I rotate? Things not wrong. Something's not right. Rotate. Let me think. Sorry, it's those maths are far. Can't believe I'm struggling with this. Think. Oh my god. Oh, I know. I remember. Okay, you know what? I just remember how to do it. I'm just gonna use Google. It's gonna be faster.
Good solution.
Yeah, I know the maths, but they are. That's not the maths you want. It's the AZ function. Okay, that's what I thought. You multiply a direction by the vector. So, Quaternion, Euler. Oh, this is good. Yeah, this one is good. Quaternion, angle axis. Angle axis. Axis, we want the Y to always. Angle, it's 90 degrees. Wait, is it 90 or minus 90? It's right. I mean, right. Minus 90. Or it's gonna be left. Whoa. Stop that. Good. Yes, it's in degrees. Is it? Yeah. Okay, it's in degrees. Good. Remember, we have no clue what's gonna happen. So I have to multiply. Just remember how to do it. You multiply the angle object by the direction. I'm sorry if it's looking complicated. Oh, sorry, there's an order. It's quaternion multiplied by vector. If you don't respect the order, I know it's weird. Normally multiplication you can just switch, but you can't with those. It's not normal multiplication. Good. So we are gonna do the same. Velocity in this direction, multiply by a number. No idea if it's gonna work. Good, let's try this. Down, everything is fine. No, don't go inside. It don't seem to work that much. I think don't detect collision. Is it? Don't see this. Oh yeah, he's detecting collision. Problem is, this is still execute. It's interfering. That's why I was kind of hoping. Let me think. Not sure. Because I don't want to go forward if I'm colliding. That's dumb. What can I do? Okay, let's try something. Oh, you know what? I just remember. He's touching the ground. That's not good. Right? Oops. That's very bad. Okay. Okay. So I will need to have two collider. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. You see that? Oh my god, I really thought it would be simple, but it's not. Okay, so let's correct that. So I want a collider that only touch walls. So I'm gonna add one very small for touching the ground only. So this one will be higher. Like, I don't know. 5. It's very not important. Let's keep this like this. Sphere collider. I want it very small. 2.1. And okay. So you see this? So this collider we won't touch the ground, and this one will. But this one I don't want it to touch walls. I want it to touch the walls. You see what I mean? Okay. It's not perfect like this, but it's gonna do the thing. And now, since I have two collider, I need to add a variable. Collider. It's gonna be himself. Collider and... Oh, which one? Collider. Like, how do I tell him? Oh yeah, I can do that. I did not even know. Oh, I can't? Ah, there
because you have the type. You have the type as a capsule collider, and you're trying to put a sphere collider, right?
I'm just curious. Maybe he can only take the first. Ah, he can't. No, he can. Sphere collider. Good. That's good to know. Collider. I want this one. Good. Okay, so now every time I refer to the collider, I need to... Oh, that's the only thing. It's the only time. Good. Now let's try it. Let's try this. How are we gonna finish today? Not sure. It should be simple, I guess. Okay, good. Go for...
Thinking.
Thinking. Oh, it's almost working. Okay, I will try something. I'm not sure it's gonna work. I'm gonna add a variable to say I'm buzzy. Okay. Colliding. So first thing you need to do is you need to set the variable to something. Oh yeah, we can already. No, never mind. On start. No. Start. Load. Yeah, start. Okay. Go literal. I'm not touching. Don't touch my polygons. That's pretty much it. Don't touch my polygons. Okay. So here I'm gonna add a branch. Remember, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Get graph variable. If it's false, you can do your thingies. If it's true, in fact, you know what? We can even remove this logic and put it here, just to be sure. And I'm gonna add a new variable. It's gonna be direction. It's gonna be a vector. Good. So if impulse maybe, that doesn't matter. So this is just gonna oops. So this thing is gonna do two things. It's gonna say I'm colliding, and there is the collision vector thingy, and it's colliding. Now what do we need? Controller, what do we need now?
We need a bool, literal. We need a bool, right?
No, we need a collision exit.
Oh, collision. Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
It is. Once this guy was stuck on me in VR, and he was in front of me, and like I see my screen. I forget my headset open. I was like, "What are you doing there? You could be anywhere in the world, and you are in front of me."
It's like father.
It's so creepy. There. So if we have a condition to set it true, we need a condition to set it false. That's collision exit. This that vector thingy, whatever. Direction. You can follow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. If you can follow.
Can you lead?
Maybe.
Yeah, you can.
Just gonna have a fake initialization, like I don't know, up arrow, initialized. Now it should be fine. Where is he? Okay. Dun.
Oh, bro. He's walking on the wall.
It's not perfect. It's not perfect. I'm not sure why it's not moving here. It's not perfect. Can put it stronger. Okay, the problem I think is that it's touching two surface. So okay, I'm gonna say to him, go a little bit back and right, maybe.
Cool.
Hoping it's gonna work. So so I'm gonna, this is the right direction we just compute. So I need, yes, okay, got it. It's about a proportion. Maybe it's 0.1 and then add. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, sorry, minus. So the reverse of, so it's saying, remember here, the impulse is total impulse applied to this contact pair to resolve the collision. So the total collision, which direction there is a force, you see, and it's this way. So if I go right to this, I'm still stuck or whatever. I'm not sure why. So in my opinion, I have this direction. I want to go back, so minus a little bit, plus right. So I'm gonna do add those two. This is very like not scientific, right? It's not working. Oh, why? It's give me 0. Not normal. Do we have problems?
We don't have problems. We have solutions. Yeah.
We should be going back.
Opportunities for discovery.
Exactly.
Missing input value for A. Okay. Float literal. So now I just want him to go back. Oh yeah, you cannot add a float in vector, of course. No, now just go back. Like minus 10. Things wrong. I don't know what. This vector should be, wait, x, y, z. Did I not set? Oh, it's already in the right direction. Got it. Oh my god. Sorry. Good. So I was going on the wrong direction after all. 0.1. Add. Whoa, what happened here? Don't go up. Don't go up. Ah, I did not know that. So it's saying that it don't care which collider I give him. They kind of are connect. It seems they format all. What can I do? Let's try something. Okay. I'm not forcing you. Copy. Remove. I can give him a child. Past as new. Okay. Let's try to see if he's still combining the collision system, okay? Maybe not. We don't need that anymore. You see, we learn stuff every day. That's why we do test.
Absolutely.
I did not know that. I did not know about that.
What did you learn?
That's strange. So every collider that's are linked to the same rigid body form a wall. They are all linked together. So even if the capsule here is not touching the ground, it's receiving the collision, probably because of a rigid body.
So is it because it's a child?
It's because since it's a child, they communicate with the same rigid body. A rigid body, every child collider will be linked, like a wall collider. It kind of makes it's kind of good and bad for us, because if you have a very complex, imagine you have a very complex structure, you don't want to put a collider event on any parts. You just want a wall thingy.
So why would it be bad though?
Because it's complicated for us. Can I know what is colliding with? Oh, collider. That's good. Collider. Name. I'm gonna check the name. That I can do it. So normally I can do a string equal. String equal. So we are gonna check what is the name of the collider. But is it me or this one? Ah, we go. You know what? Let's do a debug. Damn it, it's floor. That's not good. This is bad. Okay. Collision. Complete collision data object. Collision. I don't have this in bolt. I'm gonna add it. No. Just maybe I can get what is touching. This. Next. Be careful, the reset and next and generate are very close. Collision object. Maybe we can get what we need here. Very strange. We can rebuild bolt while it's in play mode. Don't ask, I don't know why. This is
that's good to know. I'm all the time starting and stopping.
Can I report someone that's making annoying stuff in Twitch? I don't want to buy followers.
Sorry, I'll stop.
It's not you. Someone say, buy followers, go to this website. Exclamation mark. Oh, we have 0 spectator on Twitter. Good. Collision, collider count, contact game object. Where's collider you are colliding with? Yeah, but I want me. Game object, where's collider you are colliding with? Cheat body, transform. I don't know, maybe. Let's try. Game object name. Whoa! That's not what I was trying to do. Floor again. Okay, not good. Expose. If you expose and it's not there, that's it. There's nothing to do. What about contacts? What is there? Contacts. Contact point. I don't think we have this. Oh yeah, we are. Contact point. The other collider in contact at the point. This collider. First collider in contact at this point. I don't know. First item. this collider. Can I get the name? Yes. If this works, it's gonna save us trouble. Yay! Game object.
Nice.
Go. Before I was calling game object go. So it's like, yeah, no. Good.
Nice, nice.
Okay, so it's no. I mean, don't care. As long as it's Tinker Collider, we are good. Okay, now we can do the string compare. First item, don't care, whatever. This string compare, we don't need that, we don't need that. Whoa, 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 not too fast. Hey, be careful when you do Control Z, right? I don't know if you saw, but sometimes you do Control Z in play mode and everything disappears. Boop! All the script is gone.
Yes.
Can I give you advice?
Please.
Please give me advice.
I use it. It was not on purpose, but it saved my life so many times. Enable file history. I hate Windows 11. That. If you know what this is, enable file history. So, or maybe you can talk about it later. But what file history do? If one of my script got missing or delete for some Unity reason, I go in Explorer, I right click, property, last version, and every kind of hours is saving new versions, and yeah, you see, so I can restore. It's kind of like Git, but not Git, if you know what Git is.
Nice, that is handy.
But it's the only thing is that for to enable file history, you need to create a library. It's how is it called? It's sorry, it's French. Go there already. What the fuck? Hate that. I'm almost done, sorry. I couldn't find it. This, advance, no. Exclusion, yes. Add. Yeah, this. Bibliothèque. It's library, I think, in English. Those things. Did you ever saw that in Windows? So I added the library for everything I want to save and one to what I don't want to save. As soon as a file is referenced in one library, it's going to be saved in file history. For me, I use file history to save my whole PC. But it can also be used for restoring old version of files. Very useful when you code and you are not the guy that fork all the time with Git.
Cool. Thank you, bro. Some great advice.
Yeah, because I almost lost very precious code multiple times. Or you could also not code in play mode. Yeah, don't code play mode. It's very dangerous. So first we check is it this collider? Then we do the thingies. If it's not, don't do the thingies. I know this is redundant, but allow contexts. Wait, how can it be how can I know? How can I know? Is there context here? I have no idea. Okay, sorry. I'm not sure if it's gonna work on exit. Hope it's gonna work. Whoops, it's not good. What a pain. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I'm thinking. What are you doing, red body? What that corner? That go get a stupid corner. Sorry. Okay.
Tell us what you're thinking.
He's thinking.
It's funny as you said that the animation was working perfectly. With what are you talking? What are you thinking about?
Stupid corner! Can you just move? This poor guy is more stupid than ants. Okay, that's very sad. This is not working. When the collision quit, I can't. Oh yeah, there's a way to do it. Collider. I think I'm curious. Why is there one collider? Sorry if it's long and boring, but it's necessary. Not a Unity Jesus. Floor. Yeah, but what if there is multiple collider? Oh yeah, got it. Okay, we are gonna do something stupid, but it may work, okay?
Yeah.
Stupid stuff. Last contact. String literal. In fact, I could just use game object. What is it? Contact. No. Last collider. Last collider. It's gonna be a collider. You can compare object like this. There's no problem. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put null. Doesn't matter. As long as the variable exists, it's gonna work. Okay. On key. Whatever rolls up. There. Then we are gonna save this. Because we need to remember which collider we collide with. I hope. Collider. Then, why this? Oh yeah, graph. Last collider. Instead of branch is gonna be equal. Equal, not equal. Equal. Normally, I can compare collider like this, I think. Pretty sure. Good. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, floor. What about the wall? Touch the wall, quit the wall. Touch the wall, quit the wall. Okay, I think it may work. Okay, still have the same kind of problem, but so okay. It's not easy, right?
If it was easy, everybody would be doing it.
Yeah. Kind of enter in he touched this is so lost. Where are you? Stop messing around. Okay. Maybe it's force I should control with and not speed. Okay. I feel I'm missing something here. How do you quit a corner?
Do you think you should have colliders on like all four sides of him, and like if he has a collider on the left? I'm just trying to think of like old robotics programming where you have the little robot with the feelers out there, and if it bumps one direction, it moves in the other.
You may be right here, but if we touch two colliders, what's gonna happen? No, if I get in a corner, I may maybe I will touch.
Well, then you if it's collider left and right, or left, right, and front, then move backwards.
Why is he giving 0?
Maybe he just stubbed his toe. I have to take a minute before I start walking again when I do that.
Look at this. It's so dumb. Okay, I did not thought about this problem. So he's going backward. I may have an idea. Yeah, I may have an idea. Okay, let's try something different. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so we are gonna change the approach. It may fail again, but it's gonna be fun anyway. Okay, so let's remove all the stupid condition. We will use more maths and less conditions. I know it feels scary, but I think you will understand. So the direction vector is gonna be different. Direction vector. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna average in which direction I want to go. So let's add. So if the more he will be stuck on a wall, the more he is going to go right, and then he's gonna go more front. I don't know if it makes sense, but
that makes sense.
I think one of the problem is that as soon as he quit the wall, it changed technique, so he's returning in the same direction. So he did a strange loop here. So I don't want him to switch too fast from wall technique to the just go forward technique. So this direction I'm gonna multiply. Sorry. First of all, I'm gonna. Sorry. So the technique is, first of all, we are gonna average the direction only. Yeah, that's it. Direction only averaging. So this is the simplest average I know. You take the old value, you do like multiply by 90%, and you take 10% of the new value. So old value 0.9, new value 0.1. So this is gonna do a very simple average. What are you doing? Target. No, this is not target, it's direction. Okay. So, oh my god, he's very mad. Variable, not object, it's graph. Yeah. Why are you whining again? Value don't change. Direction equal direction multiply by 0.9 plus direction. Value don't change, right? Did I do something wrong? So tired. Direction. Float, float. This is a vector. This is a vector. Graph, graph. Oh yeah, got it. So this value equal this value. That's normal. Okay, got it. That's completely normal. Hold one. So if I force this variable to 0, 0, 0, it's gonna accelerate in this direction until it is okay. Good, perfect. So we're gonna do the same, but this time with this part. Okay, and instead of doing on collision enter, it's gonna be on collision stay. Does it make sense? No?
Yes.
Okay. I hope it's gonna work because that would be so lame to finish the stream like, sorry, it's broken. Impulse.
Dude, I don't know. This sounds like a cliffhanger. Tune in next week. We'll never solve the.
It's a good way to keep people coming, bro.
I know. I'll be here.
Okay, I got this direction. Thing is here.
Bro, so maybe you can teach the AI every week a new thing until it becomes self-aware.
I mean, I know how to do an AI. I know the technique of reinforcement learning. It's very simple. It's so you will laugh. It's very simple, and it's so cool. It's very simple. You have an AI, okay, and you have parameters for him to move and stuff. So yeah, maybe you need a lot of parameters. So every iteration cycle, you generate 4 different set of parameters and 4 different set that are the reverse of the other. And you do you do 8 times the test. Then you select the 4 best solution and you restart again. So it's like iterative like this. There's no crazy maths. It's just all very simple.
Cool.
You kind of average the results or something like this. Whatever. I did it once. It's long to learn, but it can learn stuff.
Radical, bro.
What was I doing? Okay. The only thing I don't want is that. Okay, I'm gonna multiply the z by 0 because I don't want him to go up, right? If he touches the ground. And this technique is good because if he touches the ground, he's gonna do nothing. Oh damn it! I don't want it. if there's a ramp, it's gonna fuck up. But oh my god, multiply by. Oh, you know what? I just got an idea. Vector 3 literal. Instead of 0.1, it's gonna be multiplied by 0.1, 0.1. There. Oh. Schnuck, schnuck, you. Schnuck, schnuck. Don't want. Oh, maybe it. Go from the schnuck. Dot set y 0. Why? Because, you know, there. Oh my god, it's not working. Whoa, where are you? I don't know. Okay. I feel so bad. I suck.
No, bro, this is great.
I suck so much. Okay, is it the right axis? I multiply by 0, damn it. Should be working. Then this is a direction. Oh, I forgot to normalize it. I think I should be normalizing it. Maybe. Not. I don't know if it's a direction or impulse. Oh yeah, no, it's not. It's not normalized. Oh. Normalize then. No. Set the y to 0, then normalize. Good. That's good. Good. Okay, now let's pray the god of nothingness and.
Oh God of nothingness, bless us today with something.
Please don't bless us because you don't exist. Okay. Oh!
Where is it?
You still go up, damn it. Why? I set your y to 0. Still going on y. Look!
It's like hopping.
This dang monster. This y
So
team
funny,
doesn't
Rabbit.
work. It should be called maybe set the y to 0, right?
Possibly.
Maybe
If
set
we
it
can.
to 0. I think there's a problem here. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's completely wrong. Yeah, that was wrong. Okay, so okay, this is canceling this, not good. So if the vector is 0 or close to 0, I think we are just gonna ignore greater. And I can do vector dot magnitude. This gonna give us the magnitude. Yeah, need to be bigger than 0.05 whatever. I don't even know what's branch. Okay. There is something fundamentally wrong with my approach, but I don't have other ideas. So I could just I have this, it's called slow loop. There.
Cool.
Yeah, not what I was planning. Okay, it's barely going right.
Come on, buddy, you can make it.
X 0.5, Z 0.9. I don't. Oh yeah. So it should be going backward and right. What's the result? I think he's averaging between. So this one should be bigger. Oh fuck. And a failure.
Oh, I mean, it walks around in a circle. It's great.
Lots of people do videos on how to do something. There's not very many videos on how to troubleshoot when the thing you're trying to do isn't working. So this is valuable.
Yeah.
It's so bad. It's so fucking bad.
Just you're making a zombie game. It's
a door opener.
Zombie behavior.
Imagine a zombie doing this. I will laugh so much in a movie. I'm thinking. This problem is very complex. And I thought it will be easy. First of all, it's not traveling very fast. Look, we have two dumb persons. We have two very dumb persons. So the thing is, it should follow the wall way longer. But if he follow the wall too longer, it may turn around the house out forever. So maybe I should like alternate between trying to follow wall and not following wall. Or like you said, I can put multiple colliders, and if it's touching one, it's going in this specific direction. That was not a very bad idea.
On the like, I followed the tutorial from last week, and I made an AI. I added a collider in the front, and then when a collision happens, the rotation it changes, so he turns around. So if you walk into him, he turns around.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking if I add two more colliders, right, and then one in the back, because one of the issues I ran into was that sometimes he'd walk into a wall, but then just turn around, keep on turning around. So cool.
You know, the kid idea is not very bad. I think I should consider it.
Yeah.
I take that as high praise. My wife does the same thing. That's not a bad idea.
I will use trigger box and like and add rotation concept too, probably. Maybe probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if the left and right one gets squeezed down too much, he turns his body to the side so he can sneak through things.
With trigger box, good thing is it won't be on and off all the time like this, because it can be colliding, but the trigger box will be colliding for a very long time, so it would force him to. Oh my god! Trying to think. The door is opening. Okay, let's change approach again. Sometimes making errors help us to understand what is the right way. Okay, let's try this again. But I think we will have the same problem. Okay. Q. Remove component, go up. Do it too big. Where is you? So, it'll be something like this. All I need is the avatar can already go right and left, right?
Yeah, it rotates.
So, if the front collider is enabled, I could force him to go right. Okay, the front collider make him turn. The right and left collider make him go side. So it will avoid walls. Then what happens if we're at the corner? It can try to slowly turn in the right direction. Again, I could end up going around in circles again.
What if you had it like set up for like at a almost a 45-degree angle to the left and right? If the left one hits the wall, then push him a little bit right. If the right one hits the wall, push him a little left. If they both hit,
I have something in mind. I'm gonna show you. So let's say we have building number 1, building number 2, and the target is here, and this is our AI. SI. So if I force him to follow walls, he can end up turning around forever. So but if I average going in the target direction and walls, I may end up doing circle like this, because as soon as he's quitting the wall, he's going forward. So I was like, okay, I can follow the wall until I have a vector that is connecting. See, without collision. But if I have an obstacle, it won't work. He's gonna turn forever. Or maybe if wait. Let me have an idea. Oh, there is the remarching technique. No, this can work. Okay, never mind. So I could go every time I do a collision casting. Damn it, stop that. Collision casting. Continue. I could, as long as I follow the wall, my next target could be the closest collision I get from this recasting. So if I'm here, closest will be there. If I'm here, the closest will be there. That could be an idea. So if I'm here, I'm gonna jump there, recast, continue. What if there is a shape like this? And I'm there. The recast is gonna force me to do a loop like this. Damn it! That's all bad. I could detect it's the same object. This is a very complicated problem. I thought it could be simple, but I was very naive.
So
Okay,
why don't you just instead doing finding just obstacle avoidance so
that
that
could
it
be a
walks
good
around?
good start. So let's restart this and find a maybe I can do something for today. Start to be late. Okay, so I have my avatar here, wait, right here, and I have my triggers box. I've been thinking about 3 because he's never gonna go backward.
Yeah.
So if there is an obstacle that's touched the front, I know I need to turn one way or the other. If there are an obstacle that touched the side, I could just change the direction, like in this direction, if I touch the side. So it will force him to avoid, to move from right and left obstacles. But just this one could be enough already. If I touch something, I turn. Oh yeah! Yes! Because it's gonna end up... Wait, maybe this can work, just one collider. If the front touch, I turn right. And I slowly return left. Can this work? It's pretty much what we are doing right now, but... So let's imagine this is my sorry, I'm very lazy. I could do circles. This is my collider, and my collision detection look like this. And my target is there. Stop this. There. Target. And there is a wall. I don't know, whatever. So as soon as this trigger box touch a wall, it go left. But it always go forward, but it turn. So it's kind of going to bounce like this, tang 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 tang, and at this point it's gonna slowly return there, and it may be working. But I'm afraid of loops again.
How would loops be involved?
Loops, when I say loop, is that there is a
Oh,
special
right, yeah.
shape that will make him like turning around like this. Okay, you know what? Let's try it, but on the avatar itself, because it's closer to that. So instead of randomly rotating, I'm gonna add him a collider. You know what? I think collider received the collision of from their child, but not their parent. I don't know. Okay, let's try anyway. So I'm gonna put a sphere, like I said, sphere somewhere here. Doesn't really matter. It's gonna be a trigger box, reticle layer. I can keep it. Okay, I can keep it here. Okay, good. So where's my logic? I'm gonna add a. Like I have a high. It's 1 pixel. Because if we, like I said, I had the feeling that the solution was simple. Maybe it's simple like this. Okay, when was it turning? Septical now. I think I'm gonna keep this. Where is the... Okay, you there. Cube, don't need you. Okay, detector. Tinker, collider. It's gonna be the detector. The objective of today was to make him gain 1 in QI. in
Yeah, what I keep for
intelligence. 1. Good. So, same thing. Go forward and fuck this. On trigger stay. I'm gonna make it turn instead. Freeze rotation. Y. You return it. Please work. I'm so tired. Rigid body. Move rotation. Angular. It's gonna be sexier. Angular velocity set to. Is it this? I'm not sure. 2.1. Cannot be that simple. Oh, I forgot to remove the collision stay. Please work. Do something. Stop this, stop this.
Thinking.
Thinking. Do something.
Oh, yo, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's turning around.
Oh, but the moving is the problem is the what the fuck are you doing?
Scanning
Wait.
the perimeter.
Wait, but when he's here, is it not supposed to stop colliding? Oh, I forgot to put the collide first. This one. Please work. This is slow. Please work. Oh no, you have the same problem. Why? I don't understand. Oh, now it's good? What? Oh, the color of the door. I got it now. Color of the door. That's a problem. Oh. What a dumb thing. Okay. You can do it. First of all, it's not supposed to go side. Okay. So, because the velocity should be relative. Velocity. Okay. So, that's simple. All this is useless. Sorry, no, it's not useless. Okay. It's useless. Is this? Okay. Forward. I mean, that's a lot of dots. Forward. Okay, I'm changing the technique, so I'm gonna do that instead. Yeah, go forward. Go forward, dum-dum.
I don't think calling it names is helpful, but you have your methods.
Okay. Ah, no, don't go.
No!
Luckily, there's a some kind of plane here. Okay, so we have our stupid AI here that somehow turned.
Stupid is as stupid made it.
Go inside. I don't care anymore. It's so slow, I think.
Very angry.
Why is it still turning? It's not stopping turning. Why? Can I do that? Okay, it's trying more, okay? It's trying more. It's already that.
Maybe on trigger exit. Make the angular velocity 0.
I'm so confused. Look, it's still on the collision state
Yeah.
for a long time. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the door. I forgot. I forgot all the time.
Oh.
It's he's AIing, okay? He's AIing. Why? Why are you doing this? I don't understand. I don't get it.
I'll say it's pretty awesome.
First, I can simplify the collider. Remove component. Tinker collider. Okay, where are you?
You gotta step.
It's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Rotating like hell. And now it don't move. Oh yeah, forgot to enable it.
The hell?
Oh.
What the hell?
Don't know why it's rotating.
Why is the ball in the guy's hand?
You can do it. You can do it. The thing that's missing is that it should rotate the other it should always rotate the direction to go there. Like I should get the angle between yeah, the angle between this and that. Can I do that? Angle. Union between. The vector from which the angular difference is measured. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Good. So subtraction, that's good. That's the oh yeah, normalize, forget me. It's still turning. I think there's no like resistance from the ground, so it's turning forever. You see what I mean?
Like when he starts to turn, he just keeps on going.
Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be the transform forward. Okay. So this angle here normally should be the direction I'm going, I think. Maybe. So let's just put this on pause. What? Oh, there. Ah! What's happening? Look how dirty it become. Okay. Then I'm gonna do rate. No. Sorry. Max. No, minimum. I don't want him to go too fast. Minimum between this. Roll. Five. Oh, right. Hey. You see why it's long making game? There. Okay. So let's have fun looking at this. Oh wow. Multiply. Maybe I'm gonna multiply this by some 0.1. Put it here. Okay, stop doing this. I think I need to. Wow, that's horrible. Okay, look at the angle here. Seem to be always positive. That's not good.
Why? Why is it like?
No, just stop him from rotating. It's annoying. That's weird. 180. What is this? The angle is not 0 to 360. Okay. Whoa. Okay, green axis. This is close to 0. That's good. It's 90 degrees. That's good. 180. Okay, I see. So it's very bad. I don't have the direction. You see what I mean? I just have the angle. That's not good. Damn. What am I gonna do?
Thinking.
Sine angle, yay! Axis Y. I'm gonna replace sine angle. Axis this one. Yay! It's working.
Cool.
Okay, so it's reverse and it's too strong. 1%. No, let's do -1%. Ta-da!
Cool.
No, it's just too there. Okay, it's shaking because it's too strong. And now I can make him go forward. Why is this not going forward? Direction? Did I remove the node to make him go forward? Seam. Okay. Direction. Where in the world am I making him go forward? This is so confusing. Oh, I forgot. There's no point of all this. Because... velocity. Then I'm gonna do forward. You see why I take the forward? This is absolute velocity. So it's relative to the game axis. So I take the forward direction of the transform. So I can know, oh, I need to multiply. Multiply by something. This is just for, I take the direction and multiply by our speed. Then this is better. Good.
Cool.
That's very slow. It's still more stupid than my you know the thing that clean the dust in your house. Oh
The
yeah, I
vacuum.
forgot. It's not turning right yet. Oh my god, where are you? Oh, there. Good. Something's wrong. Why? He's colliding, pretty sure. He's colliding, pretty sure. Collider. Detector. Trigger. Could it be not working because it's a trigger?
Should
Same.
work. No, doesn't it have to have a rigid body to collide?
Having any clue why
Trigger?
it's not working?
Doesn't something have to have a rigid body to consider a
But
collision, or
it
does
is
already has one, right?
I don't know. Can a
It
rigid
has one.
body collide? Can a trigger with rigid body collide with a
No,
ball?
yeah, I think because you have it on the ball, right? You have the rigid body on the parent of the ball, so it should count as a collision. Right. It was working before, right?
I can check this. Debug, and that's not working.
Cool.
What happened? Oh,
Look, he's banging his
well,
head against the wall.
how is it possible? He should not be able to rotate.
He's learning fast, man. Like you're
Should
teaching him good.
his rotation should be freeze. So confused. Okay, something's not right. Okay. Sometimes unities don't just don't like that you mess with him.
Look, they're friends now,
Oh,
bro.
Can I put in kinematic? Oh no, can't.
There's a one.
No. No.
He's trying, man. Look at him.
I feel
He's
that the
struggling.
trigger is completely ignored.
Huh.
It should be going right all the time. Place is kind of
Maybe.
going the right direction.
Yeah, look.
It's
It's
very
working.
slow, but still.
It's working, bro. Look, he's doing the thing with the wall. Look at that.
It's gonna work, but not in a
Look,
way I
look,
would be proud, but it's working.
he's
Or
waddling.
where is the speed?
Yo,
Let's
this is
look speed.
hilarious. Look at him, bro. Nice. I gotta get there. Gotta get there. I'm running. Running. Go. Woo.
Okay, we can say that it kind of worked, okay?
Look, he
Kind
looks
of
so
worked.
happy. It's like he's waddling. Yo, look. He's kissing the ball. Oh, look at
Touching,
that.
touching mouse. Okay, shut up, Daniel, bro. Okay, so I'm almost satisfied. Almost. Let's try it again. Oh, let's try from inside. Right?
Bro, look at that. Bro.
It's actually not that bad.
Yo,
It's
that's
shaking a
great,
lot.
bro.
So look at this. The Tinker could be the target of the SI, so it will be less shaking. You see what I mean? Right?
So because it's always trying to like direct itself towards it and it's doing the turning thing, it's shaking, right?
Yeah. So the AI could be slower, but target this one.
Look, bro, I love how it gets like fast when it gets close to it. It's like it's happy. And then it's like shake really fast. Look, mommy, mommy.
Mommy. Oh, I can call it mommy. The target.
So
Mommy.
awesome.
Okay, let's try here. No, here. Go. There's two objects in the way.
Wow, outthought everyone. Look at it.
What the?
Sticking under the floor.
Where is he? Oh my god. I'm curious about something. Let's put him here. What are you doing if I'm putting you here? The corner of the table! Ah, that's the thing, right? You can you do it? It's gonna be very long, but that's what I thought.
Wow, what did he do? Did he just like?
Oh, you know what? I can check if in that much time you did a full loop, you change direction or whatever. Look.
Yeah.
Hey, David.
The corner.
Corner. In fact, it should. You know that one of the problem is it should be this or that, not both.
So can't you have like an update that checks something like that? If either one is.
Why are you turning? You're not supposed to. I freeze the rotation. I'm not stupid. Look, Z and X. Let's call it work in progress.
I would say, yeah, you raised like half an IQ point, right? That's
It's still
great.
dumber than my vacuum, okay? The one that's just the vacuum is similar, okay? It make arc, and if you touch something, you do the reverse. It's very similar to this, but less dumb. A little less dumb. I think it's a question of parameters. Then I could put an AI. You know what I mean? Could put maybe not an AI, but iterator. So it's gonna iterate its parameters until it's successful. So, like the longer it is to find a path, the different will be the parameters. Now it's completely.
So doesn't it have to like save this all these iterations? Like, doesn't it have to remember? Like, isn't it like you train it, it iterates kind of thing?
One of the ways is that you reward him with points, and if he do something better the last time is gonna like kind of continue in this direction. So if you move parameters in one way, if you move parameters in one direction, like I don't know, parameters A, B, and C, D, reverse, whatever, you continue in this direction if it's better. If it's worse, you go in the opposite direction.
So in a sense, AI kind of rewrites itself as it like learns a thing, right?
Yeah,
It rewrites the parameters.
yeah, and with my database variable, I could even make him learn and keep his knowledge. I have not seen that use the database yet. It's a variable
Oh, that's so
database,
crazy, bro.
like you use. You know what is a UUID?
UUID, no.
It's just a universal way of thinking. So this is
Cool.
a UUID. It's a random ID that's so long that it's almost impossible to have twice the same in two programs generated randomly. So
Nice.
thing is, what I thought is every time I have a variable, every time I have something that have an identity in included word, I'm generating a UUID by the SDK. It's not you that do it. So by this UUID, that's gonna be linked to the variables in the database. Yeah, I'm still thinking about this. Right now, the problem is
Cool.
the UUID is regenerated every time you upload, so you will kind of lose your. Yeah.
Bro, it's gonna be so awesome, bro.
Yeah. I think what I would like to do is that if you need variables for the database, you generate it and you keep it secret, so no one can use it. I mean, if someone hacked the system, of course they will find it, but at least you cannot access the variable of someone else. Would be nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the porting. So the
I
corner.
think it's like crying now. It's like
Yeah.
standing up.
Shuddering.
Yeah, look at it.
So, like I said, if I detect a loop, I could reverse the direction and go reverse. That's a bit annoying. I don't know why it rotate. That's not. It's forbidden. Should not be rotating.
Yeah.
So weird.
Is it
It's forbidden. It's forbidden.
is it because the rigid body is like a on the parent and not on?
Oh, I know. You save. So the score, okay? Look at this. I'm gonna put the score. It's gonna be. Let's finish on this. Maybe I can figure out something fast. So stop this. Best distance, okay? So it's gonna be like very big number for starting. So so the best distance will be the shortest yet. Okay, so I'm gonna put less. No, it's less, not lower. Less. Okay. Branch. As branch tool set whatever blah blah blah. This that. Yet. Nope. Whatever. Go there. Okay. Where's my distance? Okay, this is my distance, and I magnitude. Good. So this is the distance between two position. No, sorry. I think I can't. Yeah, there's a better way. You can use just distance. Sorry. If it's true, you do this. Okay, that's not a dull. Don't code like this. That's stupid. Okay. That okay, I got a distance. If it's less than the last one, you save it. Hey, stop that. Okay. If it's less than the last one, you save it. And I'm gonna have a timer. Real time since startup. You can call it T0. So do you see where I'm going, or not at all?
Yeah.
So if the best distance have not been changed in the given time, I'm gonna change technique. It's just something wrong here. Branch. Yes. Okay. Distance, best distance. Reset the timer. it's so a mess. Okay, you remember how the... Oh yeah, direction. I need another variable. This is gonna be direction. Rotation, direction. Hey, stop that. So, if the times... timer. I'm gonna put it... Okay. Greater. Range. Sorry, I'm going fast because I want to... well, let's say 5 seconds, okay? No, 5 is... whatever. Let's keep 5. Hey, this was there, right? Hope. Pulse go there. P0. Subtract. Okay, so I calculate the time. Actual time minus the saved one equal the delay. If it's the delay, it's greater than 5. First of all, you need to reset the timer, of course. Normally I don't code that ugly, but then, oops, you change the rotation direction. Look how fun it is. I'm gonna take the rotation direction and multiply it by -1. Multiply by -1. You can also randomize some parameters. So yeah, that could work too. Okay, there, okay. Done rotation direction. This is the base rotation speed, rotation, oh fuck. New vector 3, I hate that. Oh, okay. It seems I can do that. Okay, go there. Good, that may be working. Maybe.
Little cute a brain?
Very small brain.
Little tiny ganglion.
This is the impact. What? Okay, yeah, sorry. Sound cut when Unity here is.
Cool, man. This I didn't
Okay,
know it was
so
like
let's go
that.
inside. Whoa. Let's go inside in the exact. This. And press space. Come on. What are you? Oh, best distance. Best distance. Good. No, 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 no. We are testing.
The variables changing?
It's too short. 5 seconds is too short. 10. It's still too short.
Cool, bro. Now it makes sense.
Yeah, but there is still.
Does it need a while to like until it finds the best one?
The 3D. It's still very slow through, right?
Well, can I actually see like the variables like being changed? Like the best direction and
Sorry. Best direction is never changed because he can. Damn it. It's because of the timer. I
why don't
think
you just
30
reduce?
seconds. Oh my god, that's not the good one. Oops. Where's the timer? Oh, it's there. 30 seconds. Okay. So if in 30 seconds he cannot get at this door, he's gonna try the other one. Just hoping it's not too far. But you know, problem is he's always doing this thing here. So
Whoa.
go
Look.
30 seconds. It's almost done. 21, 22, 23. Oh, you go there, man.
You ran back as well.
Yeah, you have difficulty to pass this door. Damn it!
Well, but he's
It's
conquered
gonna
the
move
pointers.
forever. It's gonna move forever. There is a border here, I think. No, not no. There's no border.
That
Is
little
there?
like
There's no border. I don't understand. What's there? The door? No.
you outside?
Go get.
Oh, cool. What the heck?
He hacked his way out. Okay. Hey, he's
Where's
not
he
even
going
trying
now?
anymore. What the?
He's running for freedom, bro. He's like, yo, I gotta get out of here.
Where are you? It's not the right direction.
He's like, freedom.
Because
Where do you think he's running off to?
I have no idea what's happening.
Trying to find his new home. Now that he's like
Yeah, the
self-aware.
angle is 0 now. Oh, I break something. Oh no, I break something. It was very, very important. That's why.
You
It's
break.
it's a subtraction of this and no, this and that. Oh. I'm gonna help you a little.
He's running back home.
Okay, maybe that's why he was confused.
He misses home now. back. Yo, look at it. It's awesome. Wait, I can't see anything. Yeah. Look at it go, bro.
What I could
Right.
do is oh, is it the wrong direction? Okay.
He's conquered the
You know,
corners.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh
You
no.
know the delay, it should be random between retries, but dang. Oh no, yeah, I almost got it. Next time is gonna be good. No, don't go this way. Dummies. The trigger don't work. He's using his collider. Don't know why. Maybe the logic should be on the ball, because I think apparent is having all his child colliders, because I've used this in the past and pretty sure it was not that weird. So if the logic was on the detector, maybe it will work. Oh, maybe. Look, I may have an idea. Look, detector, ball script, flow machine. I'm just gonna use embedded for now. Look at this. I'm gonna use on collision and no on trigger. Okay, sorry. I'm almost done today. Okay. On trigger enter. On trigger exit. Okay. And detect. Pull. No. Maybe this can work. Let's try it. Okay. Now what I need is game object. The detector is now a game object, and we are gonna need this anymore. Where is the free space? Oh boy. Never let green nodes like this. It can create they are still execute. By the way, you can do get object variable this way. I take the other object, I put it on object here, and I get its variable by its name, like this. There. So now I have. So instead of going right and left at the same time, it's going to go right or left, if it's working, of course. Where's the rotation? First of all, this. Oh. Okay, so if it detect stop, if it detect collision, do this, or else do that, and I may not die of shame. That was a hard stream.
No, this was amazing, bro. Thank you so much. I learned a lot.
Variable not phone collider. You don't like this. We need to restart it. Hope you learned some stuff.
I learned so much, bro. Thank you.
I asked Rickenber to listen to the stream. I said, you need to learn Unity. And I was, this is not the simplest stream I did. Let's start. Where is he?
Oh,
He's
is he
stuck.
stuck? Oh man, come on. Come on, don't get stuck, bro. Pick yourself up. Get out of there.
Okay, so the detector is working, so it should be rotating. It should be rotating. Rotate harder. Why? Don't understand. Okay. So tired. Just rotate. Set rotation. Just rotate already. Oh, set rotation. That's not good. Get rotation. Body rotation. Get. Set. Oh boy. I hate it. It's quaternion. Oh, move rotation. I guess we need a new quaternion. This way work. Okay. You die. So tired of you. Okay. Wow,
No.
what happened? I'm so confused.
No. Spazzing out, bro. Spazzing out.
I'm still gonna I'm still going to restart. It should not rotate. What? It should not rotate. He's a jerk.
Yeah.
He should be rotating like hell right now.
He's had enough of doing our demands. Look at him.
I think it's patient get patient set. So on rotate forward. No. So annoying. So annoying. Just rotate, damn it. believe it's not there. We looked rotation. He's dying again.
Yeah. Hey, bro, I'm gonna have to go.
Yeah, I guess that's it for now.
See you.
I'm not gonna give. That's a shame, but he
No, bro.
Me too.
don't
Me too.
solve
I want to go to
corners. He did not solve
VR
corners, but
guitar.
what?
I said, yeah, me too. I was gonna start getting things set up to go do the VR guitars next.
Yeah, thanks for participating and stuff.
Thank you,
I'm
bro,
gonna
for-
try to solve this.
Yeah,
So
Glad
bad
to
it
be
did
back.
not work.
Thank you so much, bro.
Hey, see you.
Yeah, you have
See
a
you
great
later.
day, bro. Peace
So
out,
thanks
guys.
for watching the stream. Sorry if it's complicated again. I think I'm gonna get you a break next time of complication and do something more simple.